The more you share, the more they doubt you. The more they doubt you, the more you doubt yourself. That's why real growth happens in silence. When no one knows what you're building, no one can break it. No negativity, no distractions. Just you, locked in, becoming something unstoppable. In this video, I'll break down how to vanish with purpose, what to do in the quiet, then the stronger comeback. Make sure to watch the video till end, master it, and nothing will stop you. Also hit the like and subscribe button to not miss any update. Let's get into it. Phase 1. How to vanish with purpose. Point 1. Keep your moves to yourself. Most people don't support you, they just want updates. They're not rooting for your success, they're waiting to see if you fail. So stop talking, stop seeking approval, stop giving them something to discuss. Point 2. Control your ego. Seeking approval is a habit. The more you chase validation, the more you depend on it. The moment you stop chasing likes, opinions, and applause, you take back control. Build in silence. Let the results speak when the time comes, if you even care by then. Point 3. Protect your energy. Most people drain you, not fuel you. They plant doubts, distractions, and second-guessing in your mind. Cut out anyone who doesn't genuinely push you forward. Limit conversations. Guard your focus like it's your life because it is. Point 4. Keep progress under wraps. Your bank balance is growing. Good, keep stacking. Your mindset is evolving. Even better, keep learning. Your physique is changing. Great, keep training. The moment you show off too early, people start pulling you back. Move like a ghost. Phase 2. What to do in the quiet. Point 1. Pick your battlefield. What are you chasing? Be specific. Get clear. I want financial freedom isn't enough. I want to build a 6-figure skill and monetize it is better. I want to master my craft so well that I never have to explain myself again. Now that's real. Point 2. Make it your obsession. Forget balance. Forget waiting for motivation. Every move you make should push you toward your goal. This isn't a hobby. It's who you are now. If you're building wealth, study, invest, and execute daily. If you're mastering a skill, train like your life depends on it. If you're transforming physically, treat your body like a machine. No more distraction, no more waiting, lock in. Point 3. Train yourself to love the hard days. Growth is painful. The days when you feel tired, lonely, and lost, those are the best days. Why? Because most people quit there. You won't. Learn to love the grind, love the struggle, love the discomfort. Because when you do, success isn't a matter of if, it's when. Phase 3. Stronger comeback. By the time you've put in the work, grinded in silence, and transformed into a completely new version of yourself, something strange happens. You realize you don't need to announce it. The old you might have wanted recognition. The new you don't care anymore. Because success is no longer about proving people wrong. It's not about flexing, showing off, or hearing, "Wow, you've changed." It's about internal power. It's about knowing you've already won, whether the world sees it or not. The loudest victories aren't shouted. They're undeniable. When you're mentally unshakable, people feel it. When you're financially free, it shows. When you're physically transformed, it's obvious. You don't have to tell anyone, they'll know. Lions hunt in silence. Real success doesn't announce itself. The ones who move quietly, they build the loudest legacies. Now ask yourself, are you ready to disappear?